Module 5, Advanced File Carving. Welcome to this tutorial on advanced file carving techniques. In this video, we will explore advanced methods used in digital forensics and data recovery to enhance file carving processes. These techniques enable the recovery of fragmented or heavily damaged files, making them invaluable in complex investigations. Let's begin by discussing some advanced techniques that can significantly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of file carving. Advanced file carving techniques go beyond simple signature-based carving and employ more sophisticated methods to recover fragmented or damaged files. These techniques include carving based on file headers and footers, carving using file entropy, and applying heuristics-based carving. Carving based on file headers and footers involves identifying the unique signatures or markers that indicate the start and end of a file. Instead of relying solely on file signatures, this technique searches for specific patterns at the beginning and end of a file to determine its boundaries. Carving using file entropy considers the randomness or predictability of data within a file. By analyzing the entropy levels of the raw data, this technique can identify file boundaries and distinguish between file data and non-file data, improving the accuracy of the carving process. Heuristics-based carving utilizes predefined patterns, structures, or rules specific to file types. By applying these heuristics, the carving tool can intelligently reconstruct files by identifying and reassembling file fragments based on known file structures or characteristics. Advanced file carving techniques are essential in complex digital investigations where files may be heavily fragmented, damaged, or deliberately tampered with. These techniques enable the recovery of critical evidence and enhance the overall success rate of data retrieval. An investigator using advanced file carving techniques to recover critical evidence. Advanced file carving techniques have been instrumental in our investigations, allowing us to recover fragmented files and reconstruct vital evidence. These techniques have proven crucial in cases involving intentional file obfuscation or when traditional carving methods alone are insufficient. To achieve optimal results with advanced file carving, it is important to follow some best practices. 1. Use reliable and up-to-date file carving tools that incorporate advanced techniques. 2. Understand the file structures and characteristics of different file types to improve identification accuracy. 3. Adjust and customize carving parameters based on the specific case requirements and file types being investigated. 4. Validate and verify the carved files by comparing recovered data with known file attributes or content. 5. Document and maintain a thorough record of the file carving process, including the techniques used, parameters set, and results obtained. Advanced file carving techniques significantly enhance the capabilities of digital forensics and data recovery professionals. This tutorial has provided an overview of advanced file carving methods, emphasizing their importance in complex investigations. In the next tutorial, we will explore the challenges and considerations in file carving for encrypted and compressed files. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below to test your understanding of this module.